So you can see Texting Stories, this app right here, which looks like the play button inside of the speech bubble. Now, when you open it up, it first looks like this. The two people who are having the text conversation are automatically set as John and Alex. Down the bottom, you have the chance to create a new story. This is where it creates a video once you finish typing. And settings is where you'll be able to change which characters are having the conversation. So I'm going to go first by clicking on settings. And then up the top here, I'm going to change the characters' names by clicking on names and character settings. So instead of John and Alex, I'm going to have BFG. I've been reading that in our class, and I'll have the other character in the book, Sophie. So I just click on done, and I click on OK, and now I've got my two characters who are having the conversation. Now you can see by tapping on their name, that's the person who's typing. So when their name is coloured and you're typing in this bit down the bottom here, that's the character who is saying something. So if I show you, I might type in hi, then press this send button. The BFG said hi, and then I tap on Sophie's name and I reply, and I tap the send button. Okay, and suddenly we have a conversation going back and forth. Tap on the send button, go back over to Sophie. Now obviously the kids would have conversations which are a little bit more meaningful than this. Now, once they've finished, they hide the keyboard by tapping on this key down the bottom. Press create video. Okay, and it will actually make you a little movie of your conversation, which you'll be able to play. Now, if you use Seesaw or Google Classroom, that will be able to be saved directly to any of those locations. So I'll just show you what it looks like. So it's an awesome tool. The kids get very creative while they're using it, and they absolutely love thinking creatively about the characters in the books they're reading or characters that they've created themselves. I've known teachers to use this app as kids are learning to use quotation marks, so getting to understand exactly what each of the characters is actually saying to the other, as an introduction to that. Also, as I mentioned before, as conversations between famous people, historical figures. It's just a very creative way for you to understand what the students are gathering from the information that they're being presented. One more thing to show you, if you want to save the video, you press share video. And then I think I usually go to other. Yes, other. And then save video will save it to your camera roll. So if you then want to import it into an iMovie or a different app, you can get it from the camera roll.